Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh here with you on section 9.2. Going to tackle page 3 here. We're cruising through the quadratic formula, and example 3 is going to try to throw you for a loop here. And when you look at this, you might say, two binomials multiplied together, I'm just going to set them equal to 0. And then all of a sudden you go, wait, stop, hold the horses, the presses. This is not set equal to 0. There's no way to get a 0 here yet in this format. You got to retrack a little bit and ask yourself, how can I solve for this? And the only thing that'll work here now is FOIL. You need to do first, outer, inner, last, and write those 4 individual factors to get you close to the quadratic standard form of the quadratic equation, which of course you know is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Hopefully I'm drilling it into your head. Okay, so first, outer, inner, last. You guys know the drill here. Combine like terms. You get 9x squared minus 6x plus 5, and look what I did here. There was the minus 3, so I added 8. When I added 8 both sides, look what showed up. There you go. Now you're in hog heaven here. So that's the only new technique that my apologies, that you need to do for this problem. It takes 2 extra steps to realize, not freak out. You go, I don't see a quadratic equation. Do FOIL. Get your terms, combine terms, move the constants all over to the left-hand side. Now you got standard form, identify your A, B, C, plug and chug. Okay, so write it down, be disciplined, correctly substitute. B is negative 6s, C is 9, A is 9, C is what? 5. Okay, do all the substitutions incorrectly. Okay, I really encourage everybody to use these parentheses and substitute in. Negative times a negative is a positive. If you don't watch these little nitty-gritty details, you're going to get burned if you don't, okay? You guys got the drill. Negative 6 squared, 36 minus 180, okay? Now, 36 minus 180, rut-row, negative 144. This is something we haven't encountered before. However, can we take the square root of a negative number? Yes, because we go into what world here? You got it, imaginary. Okay, we're going to have imaginary numbers, and so look at the nitty-gritty details. Square root of negative 144, you bring down, every time you see the negative, you bring the imaginary I variable in. Square root of 144 is 12. Put it in there. Okay, this comes out to be this. Now, from here, 12/18 reduces down to 2/3, and here's 1/3. Okay, sorry about that. Now, little nitty-gritty detail here. This is wrong. I made a mistake here. I don't know what the heck where that came from. This is correct, except we got a little bit of work to do here. Okay, now, unfortunately, while this is in lowest terms, and this book drives me a tad crazy, and I keep telling you, oh, this is what they want. But then when you're dealing with complex numbers, they want them in a form. Complex numbers is A plus BI, real number plus the complex number, and that's the form they want it in. So you need to split this up and write 1/3, because you get that over there, plus 2/3. Everybody okay with that? 2/3 over here. Oh, by the way, this is your solution here. Let me put the brackets in here. Comma. Now, it's the same thing now. So you took each of the terms in the numerator and separated them out underneath under the common denominator. So here's your 1/3 minus 2/3 I, and you got your parentheses there. Now those are parentheses, fancy parentheses, not these guys, okay, from ordered pairs. Don't do that. Okay, so except for that minor detail, this is the correct format to put the answer into MyMathLab. This answer would be okay by me, but unfortunately you got to separate them out. Okay, Mr. McHugh, I'm going to sign off here, so don't forget. So I keep saying that, and I always want to tell you guys something else. What did we do new here? We used FOIL, took all 4 terms, moved everything over to the left-hand side combined. Then we got standard form, found A, B, C, plug and chug, and you're on your way. Okay, Mr. McHugh, something different I'll check off up here at the top today. So I will see you later. One more page to do in this section, and we will call it a wrap. Okay, take care. I'll see you then. Bye. Well, here we go.